Yep, this one right here.
We're answering a question for a viewer today. He wants to verify if this black rubber line, the fuel return line, should have vibrations when the fuel pump is on. So Mike's going to be our vibration meter. Ray's going to be our key turner. Give it a turn there, Ray.
There's just an ever so slight vibration. I'd say almost negligible.
Let's try another van.
My precious shorty. Another good running van. I feel absolutely nothing.
And this one runs better than that one. Interesting. Okay, now we're at Sonny and Cher.
Key on? Nothing.
Nothing at all, no vibration.
I don't feel anything.
2 out of 3 say nothing at all. One that has vibrations, very minor. Got one more to check. Red van.
Key on? Nothing.
This one I don't even hear a hum or a vibration. Like the other ones I could hear when the fuel pump was engaged, and this one, I mean, I hear something click, obviously, up here. So I think Frontline Media has got a good point there. His vibration is, if it's any kind of significant vibration he's got there, that looks like a good pro tip.